important do you feel that rainwater harvesting is required nowadays?
Rainwater harvesting is a must, I feel. I think we should, especially in buildings and all, bigger colonies and all, and especially in houses and all. I think we can have a better facilities of rain harvesting in the villages and all. I think those areas and all we should target.
Do you think, though this was a natural calamity, do you see we have learned lessons from this? Because this has never happened earlier.
No, we should. In fact, I am thanking the people of Panjim and other surrounding areas as well, the Panjim, Talegaon and all. In these basically difficult times of crisis, they stood together. You understand? There was no much any agitation as such. People understood basically the gravity of the matter, and they supported. I think it is because the people supported, everything went smoothly. I would like to thank them for showing maturity.
It was not really tangible. Even Talegaon we had to face all these things. So was it a difficult task?
It is not Talegaon. It was Tiswadi, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay,
no, especially when you talk about that.
Yeah, I'm talking. So it is Tiswadi and as well as Pondai. The people faced difficulties. Now see, we could not basically help each and everyone, but we did our bit, whatever we could do.
Babush, how efficient was PWD for supplying tankers?
See, this is not a time basically to blame anyone. PWD also actually helped in help. Government support and help was there only. Myself, but I would give them some tips that how it is to be repaired. And going there itself basically it is creating a hurdle for the people who were basically doing the work.